Hello, my name is Alexis Miranda, Customer Success Manager here at Kepler, and I'll show you how to prevent your Excel item from disappearing from the ribbon. First, we're going to go to File, Options, Trust Center Settings, go to Trusted Locations, click on Add a new location, Browse, and now we're going to look for the folder where we have the Excel item. Click OK. If your folder is also a subfolder, please check this box. Now we're going to click OK on all the subsequent windows. Now your Kepler Excel item won't disappear from the ribbon. If you have any other questions about this, feel free to reach out to the customer success team at cs@kepler.com. Thank you. Have a good day.